Look at this! My album is here! Oh my god! Yay! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do another unboxing video, which I don't really normally do because I don't really buy a lot of stuff. So yeah, today we're gonna unbox Super Junior Time Sleep album that I got it before my Bangkok trip. If you guys watch my Bangkok trip vlog, yeah, I'm gonna cut all the crap, okay, because my camera, it heats up very easily, so I'm gonna just don't talk so much and start unboxing this thing. It's huge. Ouch. I got it from Gmarket. So yeah, this is the second time that I got something from Gmarket. So we're gonna, you know, cut this open. Let's do this. I ordered the group version. I know they have like 10 version of the album, but I could only afford one, so yeah, I only get one apparently. Ooh. Sorry guys, I'm really bad at doing this kind of stuff because I don't bought a lot of stuff from online. I mean, I got it from Malaysia, not overseas, and I don't usually get this big of, you know, oh, ouch. So it comes with this. I ordered the one with the post. Yeah, with the poster. Yay! This one is okay. How much like this? Yay! The album looks like a book. It's like a book this time. Sorry. Yep. Let me open it. Please don't spoil the thing. Cry. You guys. Oh, something falling. So they have this thing together with the photo card with the sign at the back. Yeah. So they have the CD at the back. I'm gonna put it at my car so I can listen to the song. Back in the days, I bought a lot of CDs that I just toss it around and I don't know what to do about them. It's really hard to show you guys like that. I'm just gonna try. All of those looks amazing. If you guys want to look properly, you can pause the video. Alright. There's a lot to go through. So talk about my favorite song in this album. I think my favorite song in this album would be The Crown. yeah, my top favorite songs. Like, I always like songs that sounds really, powerful, strong. And yeah, The Crown is the one. There's a lot of go through. Oh, I like this one. Properly. Just show you guys, I didn't really even see it properly yet. I really like the concept they are going for this time, because normally they go for very suit kind of concept, which is, I feel like they overuse the concept, which is kind of not fresh anymore. I feel I like The Crown. Another one should be Skydive and Heads Up. Yeah. It's hard to show you guys everything because there's a lot of pages in the album. And yeah. And I really like Kyun's pink hair and Hijo's straight hair. Looks really good. Okay, so let me show you guys the posters. Okay. For those guys that don't know where to purchase the album, next time we can get it from Gmarket. There's a credit card. That's about it, guys. I have another video coming up soon, which is I'm gonna unbox the V-Live fan kit. So if you guys are interested, you can watch out on my channel. So yeah, like, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.